Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Minhajuddin from BS Accounting and Finance. And my roll number is 15815. Today I am telling three hadiths, which is about the first one. The Hazrat Anas ibn Malik reported the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, "La yu'minu ahadukum hatta yuhibba akhihi ma yuhibbu li nafsi." None of you has faith until he loves for his brother what he loves himself. Source Sahih Bukhari 13. Sahih Bukhari 13 and grade Muttafiqun alayh. The Prophet Muhammad, in this hadith, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teaches us that if you buy if you buy something for himself, you should also buy that thing for your brother. The second hadith is from Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar raziyallahu ta'ala reported, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam took hold of my shoulder and said, "Kun fi dunya ka'annaka gharib aw abiru fi sabil." Be in the world as though you were a stranger or traveler along a path. The source is Sahih Bukhari 6853, grade Sahih. In this hadith, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, be in the world as a stranger. It means if you follow all the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then you it means do not attach in this world, because the in Iqra, the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you more benefits according to your commandments. The third hadith is about the Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "La yu'minu ahadukum hatta yakuna huwa taban lima ji'tu bihi." None of you has faith until he desires our servant to what I have proud. The source is from Tarikh Baghdad 1609. Source from Sahih. In this hadith, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teaches us that if you follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you are